Hey guys, you are welcome back to my kitchen. If you're coming for the very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Adaora and you are welcome here. Today I'm going to show you one of the safety measures I take in my kitchen to child-proof my kitchen. Okay, I have toddlers. If you've been watching me, you know that I have toddlers in the house. Most times they are with me in the kitchen whenever I'm cooking. So my youngest son, he recently discovered the stove knob. He's been recently all over it. Like anytime I'm cooking, he'll just be there turning it on, and like he plays with it, and it's so risky. Sometimes I'll just be cooking and I'll just come back and see that the stove is turned off. It's so frustrating and also risky at the same time. So I went online to find this here. This is a stove knob. I found it on eBay. Yeah, on eBay. It's just 4 sets. It's a set of 4. Okay, just to it's called stove knob protector. So I bought it. It's a set of 4. I've already gone ahead to fix the other tray, but for the purpose of this video, just to show you guys how to fix it in case you buy it, I just reserved one. So I'm going to fix it right here just to show you guys. As you can see, I've gone ahead to fix the other ones, just have this one remaining. Okay, it's so easy to do, and it's very nice. Okay, because it's not good to play with fire. Okay, it's not good to play with fire. I have other child-proof safety measures that I've been taking. I have one for where I keep my knives and other sharps. I may show that in subsequent videos. Okay, I may show that in subsequent videos, but for today's video I'm just going to show you guys how to fix this one for the stove knob. I hope you find this video interesting. So before we go ahead and fix it, let me just show you guys how to open it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, just round, then it has an opening. So if you press here, here, I just want it to focus, it will open. Okay, it will open. So we have it open, just open and close. So for you to open it, you need to press this one to go inside. Once it goes in, then you can open it. Very easy. So now let me show you how to fix it in the stove. Now just go ahead and pull this out. Okay, pull it out like this, and it's out. Then go ahead and open this as I showed you guys earlier. Then put this here. Okay, once you put it, then you just fix this one back, and that is it. Very easy. Just push it inside and it's fixed. So now you just have to close it. So even if your baby or your child continues turning on this, it won't activate the gas, the burner or the gas. Okay, this will just be turning free will. It won't activate the knob. So if you want to use it, or any other adult, how to use it is just to push here in and it will open. Just go ahead and turn on your gas. Okay, just go ahead and turn on your gas and turn it off. So that is how to use it. Okay, when you are cooking, you can just turn it on and close it, so the baby can't turn the stove off for you or just do anything again. Once we are done, you should also open, turn it off and close. I have 4 of them here, 2 here and another 2 here. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.